So we're in East London about to meet this guy called Amechi. He runs a shop here called The Pattern, and he's basically a tailor who believes that the best clothes and fabrics are all already out there. They just need to be made to fit you. Can you show me some of your favorite pieces that you've got?
That there is a Couture couture suit. When that came to me, it had all moth holes and stuff, and I completely restored that. You wouldn't see it. It's absolutely perfect now. In this shop, our motto is size doesn't matter.
Right, okay.
Right? So we will take it in, take it out, we'll make it back. If you have something handmade to fit you, you're gonna want it to last forever. Right, so this is the Aaron jumper. Now it's got a few holes that I need to fix.
Yeah, because see, this is the kind of thing where you could imagine someone throwing it away, but that might be because they don't have
The knowledge.
the knowledge, yeah.
Or my number.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, you know? Now that I'm gonna fix all these holes for you and put all this work into it, I think you're going to love this jumper even more.
And I'm definitely not going to throw it away after
You're
that.
definitely not going to throw it. I mean, you know, imagine this. What was 40 years old?
Yeah.
Right? So, and I'll tell you now, it'll do another 40 and more.
Wow, you really can't tell anymore.
Yeah, it's gone.